Morning, Coryell's class.
Good morning, Mr. Ponder.
Actually, it's afternoon, but that's good enough. All right, close enough. 3.6, adding, subtracting fractions. Can you add and subtract fractions?
Yes.
All right, here we go. We know what a fraction is. We know where the numerator is. We know what the denominator is, right?
Yes.
When we have denominators, we know that in order to add or subtract fractions, we must always look at them, right?
Yes.
We call this what to the denominators? And remember my whole Top Gun story?
Yes.
So if I say Top Gun, the denominator, that means you look at them first, right?
Yes.
Okay. Common denominators, must we have a common denominator when adding or subtracting fractions?
Yes.
Is a common denominator the same as common multiple?
Yes.
Let's do it. 1/7 and 3/7. Are the denominators the same?
Yes.
So do we just add the numerators?
Yes.
4/7. Do we add denominators?
No.
No. Just the numerator, right?
Yes.
All right, 2/5. Okay, my problem was 2/5 plus 1/7. We're going to walk through this problem. First thing we do is we look at the denominators. Are they the same?
No.
So we need to find a common multiple that 5 and 7 go into, right?
Yes.
What do 5 and 7 go into?
35.
So I write my 35 down at the bottom. So I have my new denominators. I write my fraction bar, and even write my plus sign, yes?
Yes.
How did a person get from 5 to 35? What did they do?
They multiply.
Oh, wait. What do I do? After I write my denominators, though, what's the first thing I should do? Or the next thing I should do? I got to draw bubbles. Whoa, I almost forgot that, you guys. I'm trying to go too fast here, right? So my bubbles are drawn. How do I get from 5 to 35 again?
Multiply 5 times 5.
The top two?
Yes.
So are my numbers in the bubble the same?
Yes.
So what is 7 times 2?
14.
How do I get from this 7 to 35?
5 times.
So I multiply by 5 and the top by 5 as well?
Yes.
What's 1 times 5?
5.
Do I add my denominators or do I just keep them the same?
Keep them the same.
I just add my numerator, 14 plus 5.
Yes.
What if I get an answer, so I got an answer of 6/12? Is that acceptable?
Yes. No.
Is 6/12 an acceptable answer?
No.
Why? It's not simplified. Do you need to start simplifying?
Yes.
All fractions must be reduced or simplified to lowest terms from this point forward, right? So if you have 6/12 as your answer and you box it, wrong. You can reduce 6/12 to 1/2. We know how to reduce. We find a common factor and we reduce, right?
Yes.
Did anybody know that 2/9 plus 2/4 was 13/18 as our final answer?
No.
Therefore, we need to use our bubble method, yes?
Yes.
Can 26 over 36 reduce?
Yes.
Do I have to reduce?
Yes.
Common denominator?
Yes.
What's 8 times 6?
48.
Could 48 also be a common denominator?
Yes.
I just used 24 because 24 was actually smaller. It was the lowest common multiple of those two numbers. But 48 works too, right?
Yes.
We feeling okay?